This AI cat account made over $27,635 just last month, and this AI image story account made more than $20,000 in just 1 month, all using AI. In today's video, I will show you how to launch a similar theme page by just using AI with little to no effort. There are countless videos on YouTube regarding this, but this one will be different. I will show you the exact marketing and psychological methods you need to apply to grow and generate maximum revenue from your page, even if you are starting small. You may drop ship or sell digital products. Everything will sell if you know what to do. And all this at zero cost.
Nice.
I came across this idea while searching for new methods to make money for my business. I was left shocked after I saw how much they are making in this short time. This seller made over $100K from Etsy in just a few months by selling Midjourney arts and prompts. So I said, okay, why not make a similar AI business? But I will do it better. I will apply my own methods to get results even faster, and I will not use Etsy, as it is slow and take months to see results, but rather use my own creative ways to boost my reach and sales. So sit tight because you will get to learn a lot. First, we need a good theme for our page. Now remember, directly writing "I need ideas for social media theme pages" won't work, as then it will recommend you to open up pages about fitness or finance niches where you cannot do much with AI, as most of those are informative theme pages where Midjourney cannot help us. For this, we use this specific prompt in ChatGPT. Here, LVT means the projected revenue a customer will generate during their lifetime. The higher, the better. This prompt will filter out all those niches where you can post AI images and have the most money-generating opportunities. We need theme pages where people can connect emotionally, because when people feel an emotional connection to our page, they are more likely to positively associate with it, making them more inclined to buy our products or services. For this same reason, Johnson's baby powder sold $1.4 billion just last year. Alright, so we use this to our advantage too. It generated these results, out of which I liked AI pet portraits, AI family moments, and AI love stories. Each has a high emotional attachment, so it will be easy for us to sell this to the audience. I went with AI family moments and AI love stories, as these two are untapped markets in AI and have huge opportunities. I asked for more specific sub-niches for these two, as remember, the more the targeted audience is, the better it is to sell and grow quickly, and we want results fast. It generated many results from where I picked AI maternity and newborns and AI long-distance relationship. It checks all the boxes of requirements. The niches have an emotional sentiment attached to them and a large but very specific audience, hence easy to convert them to sales. But I was confused about which one to pick as I liked both. So I spun the random wheel and got long-distance relationship, and I went with it. Although the maternity one had a better selling opportunity. The next step for us will be to design our prompts for AI image generation. These tools can generate almost anything from your imagination, but you need to know exactly what commands to give the program. Typing the long-distance relation on Midjourney won't help us, as it will create low-quality images. Disgusting! We want images that look good and are very engaging. For this reason, we again use AI to help us. Download this Chrome extension called AI PRM. Once installed, go to ChatGPT and sign in. The homepage of ChatGPT will look different now. All these options are pre-built prompts that will help you through this. Search for Midjourney and then click on it. Write the keyboard for which you want to create your images, then click enter. And there you have it. A full descriptive prompt that will make a very engaging image. It generated 4 different results with different scene settings. Isn't that just great? I now copy and paste the first prompt to Midjourney. But Midjourney costs $10 a month, which a lot of you guys wouldn't want to spend since you're just starting out. So rest assured there is a free tool too. It is called Leonardo AI. Go to this website and then click on Launch App, then click on Yes, I'm whitelisted. It will direct you to the login page where you can log in easily. Then click on AI Generation. Copy and paste the prompt that we got from ChatGPT. Click on Generate. It will generate 4 different images. Click on this button on the image you like to upscale the image to a higher resolution. Then click on Download. I used both Midjourney and Leonardo for image generation, but I like Midjourney images more, as I feel it's more creative, but that's my personal opinion. Okay, now I have to post my images to my social media, but images take time to get organic attraction. However, it is very easy to go viral and get followers through TikTok and Reels. This user got millions of views by just following that strategy. We can replicate the same and make a heartwarming story about long-distance relationships. People love this kind of video, so it will be easier to go viral.
Yeah, boy.
Alright, head over to ChatGPT again and prompt it to write a story for you. But remember, the story setting will be different based on the niche you picked, so the prompt I wrote may not work for you. Read through the story it generated and try to improve them, as it may not generate the perfect one you want.
Perfect. Everything, down to the last minute details.
Then head over to 11 Labs website. It is by far the best AI voice generator with the best free plans. You will get 1,000 characters in the free plan, which is around 1,428 to 2,500 words, and it is more than you will need in a month. Copy and paste the script you just made and hit generate. Try out which voice you like. It gives many voices for free and pick the one you like. Once you are happy with the voice, download the voiceover, then head over to Canva. Search for TikTok and create a blank template. Upload all your images and the voiceover. Import the images and voiceover to the canvas, and then edit it the way you want. Now, I won't be able to explain the steps to edit, as the video will get very long, but you can watch this video on how to edit on Canva. Here is the final video I created.
Leah was a solitary soul, trapped on the barren surface of the moon, her only connection to the world beyond the steady beat of her heart. She longed for someone to hear her and understand her, to share in the wonder and mystery of the universe. And one day, as if by fate, a watchmaker named Orion stumbled upon her bubble, captivated by the beauty and grace of Leah's presence. He captured the rhythm of her heartbeat in his watch, and through it, Leah and
It's good and viral worthy. I will upload this video on TikTok, YouTube Short, and Instagram Reels. I'm quite sure that if I post consistently, it will go viral, as people like these types of AI-generated dreamy story videos, but there isn't much supply of it on this platform to show people. It's a huge opportunity. Once you get a decent-sized audience, you can start selling your products. You can either sell digital products or dropship products. So again, I head over to ChatGPT for ideas on what to sell, of course. And these are the results it gave me, out of which I liked long-distance touch lamps and love letter templates. I think long-distance touch lamp will be a real winning product to dropship. It has all the qualities to be a viral product, and at the same time, it fits perfectly with my page. I can link my dropshipping page in my bio and generate sales. I can even make a Substack subscription where I offer my viewers monthly long-form 10 to 15 video stories on my niche. And trust me, these things sells like anything. This account applied the same strategy and it got more than 1,000 Substack subscribers within a month. That's more than 20K in a single month. It will make two long-distance lovers feel connected momentarily, and people are willing to pay a high value for such products, making me good money while also providing a good experience to the buyer, ultimately increasing my page's brand value overall. You can also do print on demand on Etsy, but I generally don't like this method as the market is flooded with this type of product and the sales opportunity is less in my niche compared to the other two products ChatGPT recommended. So now all you have to do is upload consistently every day. And as always, the more you upload, the faster you will see results, but don't overdo it or else you will get burned out quickly. This is a free method that hardly takes 15 minutes of your day with hardly any cost.
In terms of money, we have no money.
I will keep posting on my account and show you the results in my future video. For now, here are my results so far. Because of the artistic qualities, my videos have something others aren't doing in my niche. I'm almost certain that my page will grow. Subscribe to my channel so I can keep you posted on my results and sales as I continue this series. Thank you for watching.